So here are our ducks. Day 4, you think? Day 4. Been kind of playing around with ways to keep them clean in here because they're really messy. They spill a lot of water. Their feces gets all over in the bedding. So what we've done here is taken their dish and put it up on bricks so it's not immediately in the bedding. It keeps the bedding out of the saucer. And then did the same thing with their food dish. Put it up on a like a rock so that the pine shavings don't get in their food. And then here we've got this little plastic crate box, and I put an old pillowcase down there and then put some bedding on it. And that kind of acts like a water break because even though this is on blocks, as you can see, they really splash around and get a lot of water in the bedding and feces in it, and it's kind of nasty. So they need a dry space. So that's what they're doing.
Greens from the garden now.
Greens from the garden. This is their first greens. They've never had anything other than pellets, and they're just like really digging it. Yeah. So
that's salad greens and lamb's quarter and chickweed. So it's all kinds of really good, nutritious stuff.
Yeah.
They are kind of trampling it a little bit.
Yeah.
They like that chickweed.
Mhm.
That's what they're eating most of.
Yeah. So, yay for baby ducks. We'll fight.
Man, they are excited.
Yeah. Wow. I wish everybody was so excited about their salad. I don't know, they'd make a mess in the kitchen.